We will discuss operation on sets. First is union of two sets. Let A and B be any two sets. The union of A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and all the elements of B, the common elements being taken only once and denoted by A union B and read as A union B. Let A and B be any two sets of elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 6, 8, 10, 12. Then A union B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. We can remove here common elements. We will take only one time common elements as given here in the definition, the common elements being taken only once. Now properties of operation of union. First is A union B equal to B union A, commutative law. Second is A union B union C equal to A union B union C, associative law. Third is A union phi equal to A, law of identity element. Phi is the identity of universal set U. Fourth is A union A equal to A. This is idempotent law. Fifth is universal set U and union of A equal to universal set U, law of union. Next property is intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to both A and B and denoted by A intersection B, read as intersection B. Suppose that we have two sets of elements 1 to 10 and B element is 2, 3, 5, 7. Then A intersection B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 because these elements are common in set A and B. Now properties of operation of intersection. First property is A intersection B equal to B intersection A, commutative law. Second is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C, associative law. Third is phi intersection A equal to phi and U intersection A equal to A, law of phi and U, where phi is null set and U is universal set. Fourth is A intersection A equal to A, idempotent law. Fifth is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C, distributive law. Then next property we have A union B, A intersection B equal to phi. Then A and B are called disjoint sets. Let A and B be any two sets of element 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1, 3, 5, 7. Then A intersection B equal to phi. We can say A and B are disjoint sets. Operation number 3, difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of elements which belong to A but not to B and denoted by A minus B and read as A minus B. Let A and B be any two sets of elements 1, 2, 6 and 2, 4, 6, 8. Then A minus B equal to 1, 3, 5 and B minus A equal to only one element 8. Now you can see example. Now fourth operation we have complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A be any subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the element of A and denoted by A dash equal to U minus A. Let U is a universal set of element 1 to 10 and A be any set of element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then we can find complement of A dash equal to U minus A. Then A dash equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now we have some properties of complement sets. First is A union A dash equal to U and A intersection A dash equal to phi. These two properties known as complement law. De Morgan's law. First is A union B dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Second property, A intersection B dash equal to A dash union B dash. Next property is law of double complementation. A dash of dash equal to A. Then next property, law of empty sets. A means phi dash equal to U law of universal set u dash equal to phi.